What's going on, y'all? Zach here from Oklahoma Joe's, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about the Tahoma Auto Feed Charcoal Smoker and Grill, and more specifically about how much charcoal to use with the product. Of course, fire requires three elements to burn. You have your fuel, spark, and air, so even the slightest amount of draft can keep that charcoal smoldering for an extended period of time. The damper on the Tahoma is intended to regulate the draft and slow the rate of combustion. Although the airflow is restricted, the charcoal in the firebox may continue to smolder for an extended period of time. Another detail I want to talk about is using leftover charcoal. You know, charcoal that's left out for a period of time can absorb moisture, become moldy and stale, and ultimately deteriorate. For this reason, we recommend using only the amount of charcoal that's required for your cook temperature and duration. This will allow you to have an amazing cooking experience each time while optimizing your fuel usage and avoiding the loss of unused charcoal after your cooking session. Simply put, using fresh charcoal each time is going to ensure that you get the best flavor and performance out of your Tahoma. If you're doing a longer low and slow smoke for, say, pork butt or brisket, you're going to want to go ahead and fill up that hopper with the full 16 pounds of charcoal, and that's going to give you about 13 hours of smoking at about 225 degrees. If you're just grilling up some steaks, burgers, or wings, you're going to want to use about 6 to 7 pounds of charcoal, which is going to give you about an hour of cook time at around 600 degrees. Of course, if you get to the point in your cook and you realize you may be running low on charcoal, it's super easy to add a few more pounds with this lower hopper height. Simply unlatch the lid, add a few more pounds of charcoal, close it up, and keep rolling. One last note I'll add to optimize the performance of your Tahoma is to remove and clean the fire grate before each use. This allows residual ash to fall through and ensures that your fresh charcoal is easy to light and that your Tahoma has proper airflow for your next cooking session. I hope you found this video informative, and we know that you're going to have amazing results while enjoying that unrivaled flavor of charcoal and hardwoods with the convenience of the Tahoma Auto Feed system.